Welcome back to MadeEasy. Today, we're walking through how to build a clean, professional line chart in Power BI. Line charts are the standard for analyzing trends and patterns over time. For this walkthrough, I'll be using the standard Sample Superstore file. And let's get started. To build a meaningful line chart, we need two core elements: a chronological variable for our horizontal axis, and a metric to measure. In our orders table from the Sample Superstore file, we will be tracking sales against the order date. Locating your fields first ensures a smooth drag and drop process once our visual is on the canvas. Now, let's navigate to the Visualizations pane. Click directly on the line chart icon. Power BI drops a blank chart placeholder onto your canvas. I'm going to grab these corner handles and stretch the visual across the screen so that the data points are highly visible as we build it out. Next, let's map our fields. Take order date and drag it directly into the X-axis bucket. You'll notice Power BI automatically generates a date hierarchy for us, spanning year, quarter, month, and day. Now take sales and drag it into the Y-axis bucket. Immediately, Power BI computes the aggregate sum and displays our overall sales trend. Right now, it's aggregated by year. While the yearly view is helpful, professional reports usually require deeper insights. Look at the small navigation icons at the top right of the chart bounding box. We want to click this icon, Expand All down one level in the hierarchy. Clicking it once breaks our timeline down into fiscal quarters. Clicking it a second time reveals our monthly sales trend over the last few years. This gives us a much more precise look at seasonal peaks and valleys. To make this chart executive-ready, let's clean up the formatting. Switch to the Format Your Visual tab, the paintbrush icon right here. Under the Lines drop-down, you can adjust the color and thickness to match your corporate styling or brand guidelines. Let's make this line a clean corporate blue. Next, let's scroll down to Data Labels and toggle them on. This prints the exact financial figures directly onto the visual, removing the guesswork for your stakeholders and making the chart readable at a single glance. Here is a quick pro tip to elevate your reporting. If you need to compare different product segments across the exact same timeline, you don't need multiple charts. Grab the category field from the data pane and drop it into the legend bucket. Just like that, our single line splits into 3 distinct data series, representing furniture, office supplies, and technology, complete with an automatic legend. This allows your team to cross-examine performance metrics simultaneously. And that is how you build an interactive, production-ready line chart. If this step-by-step walkthrough was helpful for your workflow, please hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward data tutorials. If you have any questions about formatting or advanced time intelligence, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.